Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Peppercorns provide several health benefits, and do you know you can actually make full recipes with peppercorns instead of just using a pinch of pepper powder here and there? Well, if you're wondering about it, here is the recipe for you. So I'm going to make a nice Tamil Nadu style Milagu Kuzhambu with peppercorns. It's a south style gravy based curry and it goes very well with rice or curd rice. So let's check out this recipe and see how we're going to make this nice curry. So first we're going to make a masala paste for this curry. To a pan, add about 1 teaspoon of oil. Once the pan is hot, add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds. Add 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 tablespoon raw rice, 3 tablespoons whole peppercorns. First roast these 4 ingredients. After about 2 to 3 minutes, add 2 small cloves of garlic. Next, add 2 fresh sprigs of curry leaves. I can already smell the aroma of the pepper. Continue roasting it. Now add about 5 red chillies and keep roasting for another 5 minutes on low flame. So after 5 minutes, I'm getting a lovely aroma of all the spices, and you can see the ingredients have been roasted. Turn off the stove at this point. Transfer the ingredients to another plate. Cool the ingredients completely. Once the ingredients have cooled down, transfer to a mixer jar and grind it to a nice fine powder. Once you've ground all the ingredients to a nice fine powder, add a little water and grind it one more time. So this will give you a nice thick paste consistency. I've soaked a large lemon-sized tamarind in water. Squeeze the pulp to get the tamarind puree. Strain it and keep this aside. Take a nice wide kadai. I'm adding about 4 tablespoons of gingelly oil. For this particular recipe, gingelly oil will taste wonderful, but if you don't have that, you can just use the regular cooking oil that you're using at home. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of Urad Dal, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, add about half teaspoon of Fenugreek Seeds, 1 teaspoon Cumin Seeds. Once the mustard seeds start crackling, add quarter teaspoon of Hing, that is Asafoetida powder. Now add about 1 cup of Shallots, that is pearl onions. There will be roughly about 25. Next, add about quarter cup of garlic cloves. Add a few curry leaves and just saute everything. Garlic adds a lot of flavor to this curry. After about 3 minutes, reduce the flame to a low and add the tamarind puree. There is no need to brown the onions. Next, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now add about 2 teaspoons of rock salt. Now rock salt will give a very nice taste and flavor to the dish, but if you don't have rock salt, you can just use the regular table salt. Bring the tamarind puree to a boil. After about a minute, add the ground masala paste and mix everything well. So now we're going to pour a little water and dilute this a little bit. And we're going to cook this for a few more minutes. Just mix everything well. Now add about 2 teaspoons of jaggery. This will balance out the flavors. So at this point, I'm checking for seasoning and I'm going to add a teaspoon of rock salt. Just mix that in. You can adjust the seasoning according to your taste. Now close the kadai and let this simmer for about 10 minutes. You need to cook this till the oil separates. Wow, the pepper curry or the Milagu Kuzhambu is coming together superbly. So if you see, the oil has separated and the curry is also thickened. The masala is blended well with the tamarind puree. The Milagu Kuzhambu is naturally spicy due to the peppercorns. You can store this curry in the refrigerator for up to 15 days and you can enjoy it whenever you want. I'm serving it with some hot steaming rice and some vattal by the side. So you can see how simple this curry is, but the flavors are just absolutely amazing. It's best enjoyed with some nice hot steaming rice. You can make this in batches and store it in the refrigerator for up to a week, and it's perfect for cold winters or even the rainy season. Do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.